Alrighty, hey everyone, it is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And let's check out this 2020 Toyota Rav4 XLE, but it does have the XP package on it. For those that aren't familiar, the XP package is going to be a Southeastern Toyota package that they do put on various vehicles such as 4Runner, Tacoma, Tundra, Corolla, and Camry. And it's going to add black accents, different wheels, tires, badging, and such like that. Come over here to the window sticker. It is just going to be a base XLE underneath in super white with the light gray fabric. And as you can see, the XP Trail package is about $1,800, and it does include the wheels, the wheels and tires, black emblems, and the XP series badges, as well as the phone charger for a total of $30,287. Gas mileage is going to be 28 city and 38 highway. But those numbers might be affected a little bit by these beefy all-terrain tires that are on these XP series wheels. These are going to be the 17-inch alloys that do come on your XP Rav4. Coming around back, dual outlet chrome tip exhaust, blacked out badges, as well as your X series badge. And then coming up front, as you can see right there on the fender, you have the XP logo. Smart key access on the XLE, so just hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in with only 3 miles, just put your foot on the brake, press your button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath that hood, we do have the 2.5 liter Dynamic Force i4. This featured D4S direct amport fuel injection ticking away, making 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, going to the front wheels in this example, or optional all-wheel drive, and an 8-speed automatic. Now, a more fuel-efficient and powerful option is going to be the Rav4 Hybrid. It's going to get you about 41 out on the highway, while making a couple more horsepower as well. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Before coming in, of course, you do have your body colors, side mirrors, turn signal indicators, blind spot monitoring on this one. And then we do have that light gray fabric interior. It's going to be two-tone, which does look nice. All your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar. And then your two-tone door panel as well. Padded armrest, power windows, locks, and mirrors with storage underneath. Automatic high beams and panel dim right over there. And coming in, here we do have your urethane 3-spoke wheel with your 4-way D-pad for your center LCD and your gauges, as well as Bluetooth phone, voice commands, as well as your audio controls. Cruise over here with your lane trace and lane keep, dynamic radar. Over on the left, you do have your automatic LED headlights, automatic high beams and fog lights. Over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Turn down that fan a little bit. Right here is going to be your base head unit on the XLE. Going to your audio, checking out your sources. This is very easy. It's going to be AM, FM, XM, USB, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Going home, you do have a split screen view that you can customize. Then going to your menu, you do have your CarPlay and Android Auto projection right there, which is super easy. Just connect up a phone. Down below, dual zone auto climate. Very simple driver and front passenger temperatures, fan speed, and then your zones right here, especially with the Eco option that is nice. USB and a 12 volt, as well as your start stop deactivation. Your drive modes of Eco, Normal, and Sport, as well as your power parking brake and brake hold at a stoplight. There's going to be that 8-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera right there on your mirror. Cup holders, nice padded armrest with charging USBs. A little technology shelf inspired from the Highlander, and then you do have your damp glove box. Manual dim rearview mirror with some map lights, SOS Safety Connect, sunglass storage, as well as your mirror and vanity light with an extender, which is a nice touch. And so that'll wrap it up for the front seat of the XLE XP. Let's check out the rear. And coming back here, you do have that same two-tone cloth interior, as well as all your door panel materials with your padded armrest, power window, and door storage. Front seat was slid a little farther back from my 5'9" frame and plenty of footroom also. You do have your rear seat vents, as well as charging USBs, map pocket, nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable headrest, and dim light and cornering handles up top. So it is finished very well back here. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up our video. Coming back here, power trunk is going to be optional on the XLE trim. Opening it up, you do have your 60/40 folding rear seats, as well as your tonneau cover, illumination, 12-volt storage, as well as your temporary spare tire located underneath your floor. Very nice touch, not a given nowadays in any vehicle. Closing it up is very easy. And that just about wraps it up for the 2020 Rav4 XLE XP package. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to give them a call. All the information is in the description below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.